Fallow deer, Dama, is a species of ruminant mammal belonging to the family Cervidae. It is native to Europe, but has been introduced around the world. The name fallow is derived from the deer's pale brown color. The Latin word dama or dama, used for roe deer, gazelles, and antelopes, lies at the root of the modern scientific name, as well as the German Dammersch, French Diem, Dutch Damherd, and Italian Dano. The male fallow deer is known as a buck, the female is a doe, and the young a fawn. Adult bucks are 140 to 160 centimeters long, 85 to 95 centimeters in shoulder height, and typically 60 to 100 kilograms in weight. The largest bucks may measure 190 centimeters long and weigh 150 kilograms. Does are 130 to 150 centimeters long, 75 to 85 centimeters in shoulder height, and 30 to 50 kilograms in weight. Fawns are born in spring around 30 centimeters and weigh around 4.5 kilograms. Their lifespan is around 12 to 16 years. Fallow deer are highly dimorphic, polygynous breeders. The breeding season or rut lasts approximately 135 days. In the Northern Hemisphere, the breeding season tends to occur in the second half of October, while it occurs in April in the South. Some matings can still occur before and after. This mating behavior within the rut most often occurs in leks, where males congregate in small groups on mating territories in which the female's only purpose for visiting these territories is for copulation. After the females are impregnated, the gestation period lasts up to 245 days and usually one fawn is born, as twins can be quite rare. Maternal investment early in life can be critical to the development of body size, since it can be quite variable at that stage depending on resources and habitat type. Agile and fast in case of danger, fallow deer can run at a maximum speed of 50 km per hour over short distances. Being naturally less muscular than other cervids such as the roe deer, they are not as fast. Dominance ranks exist within fallow deer populations, which can be linked to aggression level and body size. When competing for a male, however, how ranks are obtained is not studied extensively.